enjoying one of the many benefits of life in Georgia, a beautiful southern spring. And while the world around us blossoms, GPB is here to bring you fresh content through a popular donor benefit that gives you access to new programs like Gospel from Henry Louis Gates and your favorite dramas like All Creatures Great and Small. With GPB Passport, you can binge and discover more programs to love whenever and wherever you want. So donate now at gpb.org/give, and thanks.